This video will show you how to start creating GUIs immediately with wxGlade. wxGlade is a GUI building tool along the lines of Interface Builder on Mac OS X, or Visual Studio on Windows. Where can you run it? Anywhere that has Python and wxPython installed. To start it, you could type this. How to use wxGlade. You cannot just drag widgets from the palette here to a window. Widgets are placed inside of something called sizers. Sizers control how widgets are positioned inside of a container like a frame or a panel. wxGlade does not support absolute positioning of widgets, but by using a high number of grid sizer cells we can simulate it. First, create a window by clicking on this button here. Click the OK button. Now you want to add a grid sizer to your frame. You can do this by clicking on the grid sizer button in the sizers row. Click on the design window. Set the number of rows and columns to 10. Click on the OK button. To add a widget to this window, simply click on its button. Then click on where you want it to appear. Save what you have created so far by going to the File menu and selecting Save. Click this to pin the window so it is always in the front. The design window is where you make your interface in. The preview window is where you see your interface in action. To add a label, click on the A button to add a wx static text widget to the window, then click in the design window to add it. Don't worry about placing it perfectly. You can drag the control around. You can change what is displayed by clicking on the Widget tab and entering a new value here. To add a text field, click on the button here in the Input section, then click in the Design window to add it. I will continue with the rest of the interface. Each widget has a border property. This controls the widget's offset in these specified positions. Since the address label is too far to the left, we can change its left border property to push the label to the right. Select the label, then go to the Layout tab, then click on the WX left checkbox. Push the Up button in the border section to push the address label to the right. I have changed my mind and decided to place a drop-down menu widget here instead of a text field. To delete this widget, click on it and push the forward delete key on the keyboard. To add a drop-down menu, click on the WX choice button here. Add all the values you want to see in the drop-down menu by going to the Widget tab and entering what I want here. Push the Add button to add another entry. Push the Apply button to apply your changes to the widget. To make the text field larger, click on 1, then under the Common tab check the box in the size row, enter a new value for the first number here. To add a button, click on the OK button here. Click near the button of the window to add it. To see the preview window, click on the window menu and select Refresh Preview. There is a lot more to wxGlade. Some of the things not covered in this video are box sizers, panels, radio buttons, and menus. Hopefully this video gave you enough information to start playing with wxGlade. Enjoy! If you still don't understand how to use wxGlade, try rewatching this video a couple of times to reinforce this new information. Thank you.